Hey guys, it's Eric, and so for today's video, I'm gonna be telling you guys how to go viral on TikTok. I've been getting this question a lot, and that is how to go viral on TikTok, and that's pretty much what's happening on the app at the moment, where like everyone tries to go viral, and I'm just like, okay. By the way, the things I'm gonna be telling you guys for this video are not like the official way to go viral, but these are the things that I do to get my chance of getting viral to be high, I guess. I don't know. By the way, if this is your first time watching me, then hello to you. My name is Eric, and thank you so much for watching me right now. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and also tap the bell to be notified whenever I upload new videos. And if you did that, let me know that in the comments, because maybe you'll win the next shoutout for my next video. By the way, shout out to these people right here for turning on my post notifications and being active as always. Thanks to these fam, and now let's get on with the video. So this video is gonna be similar to my video where I told you guys how to get a lot of likes and followers in your TikTok kind of thing, and also how to get on the For You page, and also there's gonna be like an updated ones, I guess, because from those videos, those are like from a year ago, I believe. I'm not sure, but it's from a while ago, and things change, you know? Things change, people change. Kaboom. So the first step that we're going to be talking about is your username. So for the username, I'm going to be telling you guys that the shorter it is, the better, because it's easier for people to remember. And if your username is like, you know, like flower person, I like pink too, or something, 1, 2, 3, then I don't think anyone's going to remember that. So make sure for your username to make it short and also catchy. Like for my username is Life with Eric, and that's basically just Life with Eric. So yeah, similar to my username, try to make it short. Mine is not that short, but it is still catchy, and that is what you need for people to remember you. The second step is going to be your profile picture. So you might think that this doesn't matter to anyone at all, but profile picture matters, because that's what people is gonna see. And also, for my profile picture, as you guys could see, my profile picture is transparent, and that basically like attracts a lot of people, I guess you could say, because like I'm pretty sure there's like less than 100 people on TikTok who has a profile picture like this. As you can see, it's just like see-through, and that is really cool. And again, if you want to make your very own, I get this question a lot as well. If you want to make your very own, I made a tutorial which is the last video after this one, so be sure to watch it, or I'll be putting a link in the description as well. So yeah, again, summarize the step 2 is to make your profile picture neat and really interesting to see, I guess. The third tip that I have for you guys is the type of post that you post. What? The third tip that I have for you guys is the type of videos that you post on the app. This one really matters, and there's a lot of varieties of what kind of videos you could post. If you do makeup, post about makeup. If you do comedy, post about comedy. If you do slow-mos, go for slow-mos. But recently what I noticed is that people try to go ahead and try other varieties of videos. Like for me, you guys know me. You guys know I usually do transitions and slow-mos. But nowadays, I don't do them as much because they go like, yeah, I don't know. Things are changing, I guess. And I guess slow-mos and transitions are starting to become less and less, and it makes me sad. But yeah, nowadays I'm trying to go do like different kinds of videos, like comedy. So yeah, like I said, for your videos, post whatever kind of video that you are very comfortable making, or like you're very good at making. And also add on to that and try another variety of videos that you could do, like comedy. I'm gonna give you guys some examples. This is my profile right here, and as you can see, we jumped a lot of followers than my last video, where we had like probably like 800k, and now we are at 1.2. It's like, what? And as you can see, I don't post a lot of slow-mos and transitions anymore because I want to try another variety of videos that I could do. But yeah, as you can see, I join mostly the trends that I see, and like, you know, those like slow-mo things where like people do something and they're like like this. I'm like, oh my goodness, throwing the phone away. And as you can see on this one, I kind of did like a comedy thing, but like at the same time making people go like, oh kitty, and also a slow-mo. So I'm combining like two things together. You guys could do that as well and experiment with it and see how it goes. And also on this one, as you can see that I did a slow-mo. And also one more thing, as you can see on this one, I tried doing comedy, and this one actually my friend told me about, and I'm just like, what? So yeah, this is actually based on a true story. So if you guys have anything funny or like hilarious that happened into your life, then maybe you could make it into a TikTok and like see how it goes. And like this one, it kind of went viral because it has 86,000 likes now. I'm just like, what is happening right there? And one last thing that I have is this. As you can see, I did like a trend, which is the next step that I have for you guys, and that is to join in the trends that you see on your For You page. Nowadays, I feel like For You page is like the way for you to find things things to do. Like what I think how TikTok works nowadays, like I'm pretty sure it is like 100% sure, I'm not sure, is that you go ahead and see a comedy and then you go ahead and redo that comedy, but then you put a twist into it. So that's basically what's happening on the app. Like for this video that I did, it kind of went on the For You page, but basically there's this trend going on where like they put like the timer thingy which you can decide, and like then you do like a slow-mo kind of thing, or you could fake it, or you could make it real. It is up to you. And for my video, I kind of made it like slow-mo, but then the time is not slow-mo, so adding like a little twist into that could make you go viral. And yeah, again, you could find so many trends going on in your For You page, so every time you could just see what's happening on the For You page. And the For You page, by the way, it depends on which country or like whatever kind of videos you watch often. So like for me, I live in New York City and like I live in the US. We might see the same similar videos to someone who lives on the other side of the country and also in the US. And the For You page is different for every country. So if this is the US For You page, I guess you could call it, or like North America thingamajiggy. It's always different for every country. Because whenever I go to the Philippines and then I check my For You page, it was different when I was in the Philippines. I see more of like the Filipino videos than like English ones, but since I'm in the US, then it's showing me the videos in the US and also what is trending. What I would say though for the US TikTok is that the trend nowadays is like when people do like skits, or like sometimes people do like transitions. It's really mixed up. It is up to you what kind of videos you want to make. Ooh, she good. So to summarize, that tip for you guys is just that to check on your For You page, see what's trending, join in the trend, and put a little twist into it. And you never know, you could go viral like kaboom! The next step that I have for you guys is the posting times. I feel like this one matters a lot because you have to know your followers and where they're from. And this one also goes to actually knowing your followers and not just thinking about numbers. I feel like this one matters a lot because if you don't know where your followers are from and you're just posting like this video and then that video in like a random time, then chances are there's less people that are gonna see it because either they're at school or they're sleeping. So you have to make sure you know who your followers are. And also a great way to know your followers is actually going live on the app and also interacting with them, saying hello to them, being friends with them. Also another way that you could check where your followers are from is actually switching your account into a TikTok Pro account. I currently have TikTok Pro, so I could see more of like what's happening in my account than normal people do. So to turn on your TikTok Pro, all you have to do is go on the three dots on the top right, click on manage my account, and at the very bottom it should show you that you could switch into TikTok Pro. And since I already have mine on, it's gonna tell me like switch back to personal account because I'm already in TikTok Pro. And that means you get this option right here, which is analytics, and this one's gonna help you a lot actually. So when you go into the followers tab, you're gonna be seeing this page right here, and as you can see, these are my followers. They're 81% female, 18% male, and they're mostly from the United States. This one's gonna be different for you guys because, you know, we make different content, we live in a different place. So yeah, I have Philippines second because I'm Filipino. So like some Filipinos come to me and they're like, hello, ako rin Filipino ako. So yes. When we go to overview though, you can see that I'm currently going down because if you guys didn't know, I went viral like 3 weeks ago, and that is like with the shirt thing. Basically, I joined in this trend where like people go ahead and either print people's profiles and put it in their walls, or like they write their names in like the car. I don't know. There's like a different kinds, and like for me, I thought like, maybe I should write my followers' names into the shirt. So basically I did that. If you guys didn't know, it happened like 3 weeks ago and it went like boom, and this is how we hit 1.2 million. And this is the video right here. As you can see, it has 766,000 likes, and for me, that is not normal. That is a lot of people. And it also has 5.8 million views. So like, yeah, that's a lot of people, I would say. So yeah, I posted like the results here. As you can see, the shirt is actually full. Like, I was serious in making this full. I counted the names on this shirt and there was like around 3,800 people. So that is a lot of people. But yeah, ever since that shirt got full, a lot of people unfollowed, but that's okay because, you know, the real ones are our friends. Stick together. Also, for this one, you could see like the views on your profile every week. Again, to summarize this tip, just make sure you know the posting times when your followers are on, or like awake or asleep. And if you do find the posting times that's best for you, then always post every day on that time. For me personally, I post around like 4:30, 5 o'clock p.m. in New York time, Eastern time. I feel like that time is like in the middle of everything. Like the people from East Coast go home from school, and to the people in Europe, they're on TikTok probably, and before they go to sleep because they're currently like 5 to 6 hours ahead of us. So yeah, and also to the West Coast people, they're gonna see the TikTok later on, so you know, like, me too. And the last tip that I have for you guys into going viral is to actually get to know your people. Like for me, when I started Musical.ly, I would always try to reply back to as many people as I could. Even though like how many followers I had, I would try my best to go and reply back to as many people as I could, because that is the important thing. Like, and the greatest thing that you could ever do to them is actually notice them back, because you wouldn't be where you are right now if it wasn't for them. So always be grateful for your followers, talk to them, go live as many times as you can, talk to them, make friends with them. Yeah, that's basically been my overall goal since like I started Musical.ly. Like, I would reply back to as many people as I could, and some people would tell me that they don't know why I'm replying back to them even though I'm like famous. I'm just like, I'm not famous, I'm just a person making videos. So now, all of the tips that I mentioned to you, put those all together, remember them, try to be consistent, do it every single day, and see where it takes you. For me, it took me to 1.2 million followers. That is a lot of people. I still cannot believe we reached 1.2 million. That's a lot of people. That is the story of my life and how to go viral, and those are the tips that I have for you guys that I personally do as well. So I hope this video helps you out, especially to the ones who are trying to grow their TikTok. And if it did help you, then let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. Also, if you guys have any questions or anything like that, then be sure to let me know that in the comments and I'll try to answer them. Also, one more thing. If you have any video ideas, suggestion, or a tutorial that you want me to do, please let me know in the comment section, because nowadays I'm running out of ideas on what kind of tutorial to do, because I feel like I did most of them already, like the transitions, the slow-mo, I don't know, there's so many that I did. So if you have any suggestions or you see something that's trending at the moment, let me know in the comments and maybe I could make a tutorial for those. Also, if you have a TikTok and you're not following it, then be sure to follow me at LifeWithDark, and I'll see you guys there. And lastly, don't forget to follow me in all my social medias, and wish the links to be in the down bar below. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Okay? Okay. Bye! Mario!